In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Yahoo Mail storage. Now to do this, you want to open your Yahoo Mail account. You want to go to the top right here and you want to click on your profile icon. In here you can see storage and you want to click on whatever it says over here. For me it's the free version, so I have only 15 gigabytes. And then if you scroll down over here, you can increase your storage by choosing one of these plans. As you can see, you can switch between yearly and monthly billing, and then you have three options. The first one's going to be 100 gigabytes, the second one's going to be 200 gigabytes, and then the third one's going to be 1 terabyte. So if you want to increase your Yahoo Mail storage, you want to upgrade to any of these plans. For example, if I wanted 1 terabyte, I can click on add storage and I'll be able to put in my card details or select the payment method and then pay for this, and of course I will get this amount of storage inside my Yahoo Mail. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.